How to pay credit card bill on TD Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about paying the credit card bill on your TD Bank. So you can set up automatic payments from your bank account to pay your TD credit card. You can pay either the minimum amount due or the full balance each month. Payments can be made from your checking or savings account at any bank. And here are a few ways to pay your TD credit card. The first one is pre-authorized debit. You can set up automatic payments to avoid late fees, and there is also the option of TD account transfer. You can transfer funds from another TD account for a real-time payment. And there is also the add as pay. You can add your TD credit card to your pay list in your bank's online bill payment system and use rewards. After that, you can use TD points or cashback dollars to reduce your balance. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.